I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get shaders on Roblox for mobile. First, understand that the official Roblox mobile application does not natively support custom shaders. To achieve this, you'll typically need to explore third-party applications or modified clients. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks involved, such as account bans or security vulnerabilities, before proceeding with any unofficial methods. Always prioritize your account safety. When looking for third-party options, it's essential to research reputable applications. Search for tools specifically designed to enhance Roblox visuals on mobile devices. Always verify the app's compatibility with your phone's operating system, whether it's Android or iOS, to ensure smooth operation. Additionally, check user reviews and community feedback to gauge the application's reliability and safety before downloading anything onto your device. Once you've selected a third-party application, carefully follow its detailed installation instructions. During setup, you might be prompted to grant certain permissions. Review these carefully and understand their implications for your device's security. After installation, explore the application settings to adjust shader effects. You can often fine-tune visual elements like shadows, reflections, and lighting to achieve your desired look, while balancing performance on your mobile device. After applying shaders, closely monitor your device's performance and battery life. Shaders can be resource-intensive, potentially impacting gameplay and draining your battery faster. For safety, always use a strong antivirus solution and keep your mobile operating system updated to its latest version. Remember, using unofficial software carries inherent risks, including the possibility of your Roblox account being compromised or even banned. Proceed with caution and at your own discretion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.